Good day, Lisanians. Today I am going to teach you on how to do a morph transition on Microsoft PowerPoint. First, you have to open PowerPoint presentation, and after that, click on a blank template. But in this demonstration, we already set up our preferred pictures, and now let's focus on the tutorial of morph. On insert, select your preferred pictures and then remove the background by selecting the pictures format and background removal. Manually mark the areas you want to keep and the areas you want to remove in order for your pictures to be seamless. Now, drag your pictures to the centers of your page and drag it upward and make your desired adjustment. But on our demonstration, I will just make it a bit smaller and drag it upward. After you're satisfied with your adjustment, duplicate the page and move your pictures to whatever place you want. So in this demonstration, the transition will become upward. Now let's move on another transition on other location using morph. Again, on the Insert tab, select your preferred image and make your adjustment that we did earlier. After that, cover the page so that it will not be visible on the transition that we're going to make. On the next page, do it again, but this time change your preferred background. After that, duplicate the page and make your adjustment moving your image outside the plane. Rigorously check your transitions to see if it has a smooth outcome. If not, make your adjustment to your desired outcome that you want. Same goes with our last sample. Create all the adjustment and create your desired outcome. After you're satisfied with your work, click the file and save as and click on the location you want to save. Save on. That's all for our tutorial. I hope you learned something.